Storm going down the St. Lawrence River. Right there's Canada here in Ogdensburg, New York. There's the bridge to Canada. Good fishing place down here. A little windy. Says it's 70 degrees. Yeah, I can feel the rain hit me in the face. Yeah. Just went and got some well. We need the rain anyways. We didn't have a lot of snow this winter. Wish I could see some thunder and lightning, but we weren't calling for it. Cloud. Yeah, it's a bird poop on my window. Birds are chirping away. All following the river. Seagull right there. I better get back. I don't want to get wet and pour on me. I think that might be the rain coming. Right there, it's a wall of rain. Yeah, that's the rain coming. Oh, the clouds are going that way, so I don't know. But I'll run out to the next one. I might get another video later on.